completed this chapter, human resources. Okay, so let's see this chapter exercise here. So first of all, take the correct option. The people of a country are called its natural resources. So no, the people of a country are called its human resources. That is a no. Okay, so you have to take your no. India is the most populated country in the world. That means no. Okay, because China is the most populated country in the world. Now let's see third. Population of India is unevenly distributed. So yes. Ever increasing population has led to many problems. So yes. Okay. So look at here. This multiple choice question. This exercise. Take the correct answer. India is blessed with rich. Check your answer. Okay. India is blessed with rich natural resources. India is blessed with rich natural resources. A large number of Indians live below the poverty line. Okay. Now let's see third. Educated people know the benefits of a small family. The main reason for poverty in India is overpopulation. Let's see fill in the blanks. The people of a country are called its human resources. Okay. The government is making efforts to ensure the optimal use of human resources. Only educated people can contribute to the development of a country. In order to remove illiteracy, schools have been set up in villages. 3 out of 4 Indians live in villages. Look at here, match the column. Match the column. Most populated country in the world, China. Less number of schools, illiteracy. Village population moving to cities, migration. Large number of Indian population living below poverty line. Look at here, answer the following question. Here given a 5 question. Okay. So what are the reasons for an uneven distribution of population in India? Which 3 qualities can turn an individual into human resource? Write 4 problems caused by increasing population. Write down the steps taken up by the government to minimize the problems caused by overpopulation. Can you elaborate on the reasons for India being underdeveloped? So have a look these questions. So India's first question, what are the reasons for an uneven distribution of population in India? So our answer is India's population is unevenly distributed due to different land farms in India. Plains and deltas are densely populated because availability of water and fertile land, while desert and hilly areas are sparsely populated. Let's see second question. Which 3 qualities can turn an individual into human resource? So answer is education, intelligence and skill are 3 qualities which can turn an individual into human resource. Let's see third question. Write 4 problems caused by increasing population. So these are 4 problems caused by increasing population. These are 4 problems caused by increasing population. First one, shortage of food and water. Second, shortage of schools and colleges in the country. Third, increase in unemployment. Fourth, increase in poverty. That is fourth question. Have a look here. Fourth question, write down the steps. Okay, write down the steps taken up by the government to minimize the problems caused by overpopulation. So our answer is these are the steps taken by government to check problems caused. So these are the steps taken by government to check problems caused by overpopulation. The government is creating awareness about birth control methods and the benefits of a small family. Second, let's see, land has been given to landless farmers. Third, to remove illiteracy, schools have been set up in villages. Fourth one, hospital and medical and centers have been opened up in villages. Look at here, fifth question. Can you elaborate on the reasons for India being underdeveloped? Can you elaborate on the reasons for India being underdeveloped? Okay. So reasons for India being underdeveloped. India has the second largest population in the world. A large number of people in India live below the poverty line. India has a massive population growth, which is a big hurdle towards progress. Clear? So these some questions, these 5 questions here written, okay, and these questions and this exercise you have to do in your SST notebook, okay, and okay, so thank you.